Welcome to the second episode of our series on ORYX CAD, version 1.2. Today, we're starting from scratch. Blender is open, the scene is empty, and no object is selected, and you're about to discover everything the panel lets you create in this state. A quick reminder from the previous episode. The ORYX CAD panel is smart. It adapts to your selection. Here, nothing is selected, so it shows you its creation tools. Let's look at them one by one. First button, the gear. One click, and you get a precise toothed wheel ready to use. It's the perfect part for any mechanism, a crank, a gearbox, or a little 3D printed automaton. Second button, the screw. ORYX CAD generates a screw with a real thread, that is, the spiral that lets it screw in. Perfect for creating a custom fastener when the store-bought screw doesn't exist in the right size. Third button, the spring. You get an elastic coil with exact dimensions. Think of a push button, a clamp, or a miniature suspension. The spring adapts to your project. Fourth button, the clips. These are those small fasteners that snap into each other. Ideal for joining two parts without screws or glue, like an enclosure lid that closes with a simple click. And finally, the import button. It lets you bring a part from somewhere else into Blender, a downloaded file or one made in another program, and drop it straight into your project. And here's the best part, saved for last. Every object you create here is not set in stone. You'll be able to modify it later at any time. More on that very soon in the series. You now know how to create gears, screws, springs, and clips in one click. In the next video, we select an object, and you'll watch the panel transform to offer you brand new tools. See you right now in episode 3.